Fasting is like physical training. You don't walk into a gym and lift the heaviest barbell on day one, and it's the same with fasting. You don't start with 40 days. It's a process. It's progressive. Some people might say that's not biblical fasting. Don't let that stop you. If your intention is to humble yourself before God and fight your flesh, even a small fast matters. God looks at your heart. Fasting can take many forms. Sometimes it's about seeking God for specific things. Other times the Spirit simply leads you into it. Both are biblical. In Matthew 4, Jesus fasted for 40 days before facing the enemy. He didn't fast to impress anyone. He fasted to be strengthened for the battle ahead. Your fast may not look like 40 days, but the principle is the same. Fasting prepares your spirit to overcome temptation and walk in obedience. When I first tried fasting from 6 a.m. to 6 p.m. with no food or water, I failed miserably on day one. My spirit was weak, and God used that time to expose hidden sin. I wrote it down and surrendered it to Him in prayer. The second time I made it, 6 a.m. to 6 p.m., no food or water for 3 days, my mind became clear. For someone who always overthinks, it was the first time I understood what it meant to have a sober mind. The third time I did 3 whole days with only water. It felt like I was dying from hunger, but that's where God broke strongholds. I noticed I was no longer struggling with certain sins, and I even lost interest in worldly things. Those first fasts happened when I was still a baby Christian. More recently, I fasted 3 days water only again. Hunger diminished, and God gave revelation and warnings during that time. I share this to show how important fasting can be. Fasting is more than an act of sacrifice. It's a spiritual discipline that strengthens obedience. Practical tips when you fast. Know your why. Be clear about your intention before you begin. Choose your fast. Some fast from all food, some from certain foods, and some from distractions like media. The key is surrender. Pray when hunger or temptation hits. Let your spirit lead your flesh. Read scripture or worship. If you're too weak to read, listen to worship music and sing along. Take note of hidden sin. Fasting often reveals areas in your heart. Confess them in prayer. Remember, God sees your heart. Fasting isn't about perfect performance, it's about dedication and surrender. Don't fast to punish yourself or earn God's love. He already loves you. Fast to draw closer to Him. Try a short fast this week. If you fail, don't quit. God can still use even a failed fast to reveal your heart and draw you closer. When you can say no to food for a time, you train yourself to say no to sin in the moment. Fasting strengthens your ability to say yes to God. God honors those who present their bodies as a living sacrifice, not with perfect performance, but with a surrendered heart. Don't measure fasting by how long you go without food. Measure it by how much closer it brings you to God. Don't just read this now, practice it this week. Start small. Let God train your spirit. If you try a short fast this week, share your experience in the comments. I'd love to hear how God meets you in it. And if this message encouraged you, hit that like button, subscribe, and turn on notifications so we can grow in faith together.